Okay, so merge conflict, auto navigate next conflict enabled. Whether to automatically navigate the next merge conflict after resolving a merge conflict. So by default this is set to false. So let's set this to true and see how this works. And I have manufactured some merge conflicts in this file. And we have 3 of them. We have one here, whoops, here, and another one here. So you can accept the current change, accept the incoming change, or accept both changes. If you compare side by side, nothing will happen. So let's resolve this merge conflict. Let's accept the incoming change, which is this. There's a comment here, but now I want this comment. And immediately we jump onto the next merge conflict, right? And we can accept the incoming change again. And supposedly you should automatically jump to the next merge conflict. So apparently this is now working as it should. Okay, let's Control Z then. Whoops. There we go. So we have the 3 merge conflicts. Like, accept this. We jump onto the next one, accept this. And we don't jump onto the last one, which is weird. Okay, so I guess this feature isn't really working as it should. It jumps if you accept the current change, but not if you accept the incoming change. What if you accept both? This is definite. Okay, so now it jumped when I accepted the incoming change. And now it did not jump when I accepted the current change. This is weird. And now it jumped. Now it's jumping correctly on all of them. But this is definitely inconsistent though. So let's get the 3 merge conflicts again. So accept incoming change, jump, accept incoming change, jump. Was it because I scrolled? Scroll, no jump. No scroll, jump. Okay, so there seems to be some kind of problem here with the scrolling. Okay, this is weird, but apparently if you don't scroll, it will work. And now it doesn't work without scrolling. Okay, so when a feature doesn't behave consistently, you shouldn't use it, I guess, even though it doesn't hurt much, to be honest. So I'm going to leave this one enabled, but be aware that this behaves very inconsistently.